Structural integrity of plants depends on cellulose, a polymer that, like starch, is composed of glucose subunits. The glucose subunits in cellulose, however, alternate direction, and this promotes the formation of strong chemical bonds between adjacent cellulose chains. Plant cell walls contain dozens of cellulose chains packed together into microfibrils. These microfibrils then intertwine with hemicelluloses, pectins, proteins, and lignins. This complex construction gives cell walls the strength to withstand pressures that exceeds 218 pounds per square inch and to resist pathogen invasions and herbivore attacks. Alas, this strength exposes the weaknesses of many mitigation strategies involving biofuels. Cell walls are highly recalcitrant to most physical and chemical treatments that would convert them into ethanol. The first steps of cellulosic ethanol processing is the liberation of cellulose and hemicellulose from cell walls. An industry with centuries of experience in cellulose processing is paper manufacturing. The paper industry grinds or steam explodes plant material and then subjects it to solutions of hot, concentrated base or acid. Unfortunately, this process is energy intensive, expending more than the energy value of the material, and generates a range of products that not only inhibit subsequent steps in converting cellulose into ethanol, but are potentially harmful to the environment. Therefore, biofuels processors seek improved methods of releasing cellulose and hemicellulose from cell walls. The next step is hydrolysis to decompose cellulose and hemicellulose into sugars. Given the stability and complexity of these compounds, no single enzymatic or chemical treatment achieves adequate yields or rates. Extensive research efforts are underway to develop a rapid, multi-pronged attack on cellulose and hemicellulose. After hydrolysis is fermentation, in which microbes convert sugars into ethanol. In summary, despite the promise of cellulosic ethanol, most of the steps in processing are still experimental, and the costs are not yet competitive with other energy sources.